Unlocking the Joy of Happy Anniversary, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, Happy Anniversary. Whether it's your first time hearing it or you've come across it before, this video will help you understand its meaning, usage, and significance in English-speaking cultures. So, let's get started and unlock the joy hidden in these two words. Happy Anniversary is a warm greeting used to celebrate the anniversary of a significant event, such as a wedding, engagement, or the start of a meaningful relationship or venture. It's a way to express joy, congratulations, and good wishes for the years that have passed since that special day. When someone says, Happy Anniversary, they are acknowledging the importance of that day and the journey since. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Personal celebrations. Most commonly, it's used to celebrate wedding anniversaries. Partners exchange this greeting, and friends and family also extend these wishes to the couple. Professional milestones. It's applicable for work anniversaries too. Colleagues or the company might wish an employee, Happy Anniversary, to celebrate their years of service. Friendship and other anniversaries. Celebrating the day you met a close friend or the start of any significant relationship can also be a perfect occasion for this greeting. You can use this phrase in greeting cards, social media posts, face-to-face conversations, or any form of communication where you wish to convey heartfelt congratulations. In English-speaking cultures, anniversaries are important milestones. Celebrating them helps to reminisce about past achievements and reinforce the bonds between individuals or groups. Besides the straightforward, Happy Anniversary, there are variations that can add a personal touch. Wishing you many more years of happiness together. Congratulations on another year. Here's to more wonderful years ahead. These variations allow you to personalize your message and make it even more special for the receiver. We hope this exploration of Happy Anniversary enriches your English vocabulary and helps you celebrate life's special moments with confidence. Remember, anniversaries are a celebration of persistence, love, and commitment. Key values that resonate universally. So next time you have an occasion to say, Happy Anniversary, you'll know just how much weight and joy those two words can carry. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you. Happy learning, and until next time, take care.